Kung diversify ako ng investment para protektahan ko yung for inflation, no? So maraming ways to save and invest. So kailangan lang natin is magkaroon ng discipline. Ayun nga, priority, set aside the money for the unexpected needs and retirement plan. Invest yourself or invest to your future. So yun, kailangan natin mag-explore no? Maraming way talaga yung kailangan lang talaga natin mag-research. So ayun, kailangan tandaan natin na maliit lang, no? Magsimula, ang kailangan kasi magsimula and maging consistent, no? Para matulungan tayo to grow our savings over time.